Today I'm going to solve 67 divided by 5. I've already written my problem the 4th grade way, made a lollipop for my boss number, and written the steps of long division. Divide, multiply, subtract, check your work, bring down. I want to come over to my lollipop and put a star next to my multiples of 5. I'm now ready to start my first step, which is divide. 67 divided by 5. If I look at my lollipop, 67 is not listed as one of my multiples of 5, therefore I need to break it up. First, I'm going to do 6 divided by 5. If I'm looking on the right side, 0, 5, 10, 15. I do not see 6, so I need to choose the multiple that's closest to 6, but not larger than 6, which would be 5. 5's partner is 1, so I'll write 1 on the top. Check for divide. I'm going to multiply 1 times 5 equals 5. Check for multiplication. I'm ready to subtract. 6 minus 5 equals 1. Check my work. Is 1 smaller than 5? Yes. B stands for bring down. I'll bring down the 7. Circle my new number, 17. Whenever I bring down, this tells me I have to start over again. So I'm back to division. My new number is 17, so I'm going to do 17 divided by 5. Come to my lollipop, looking only at the right side, trying to find 17. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 17 is not a multiple of 5, so I need to choose the number closest to 17, but again, it cannot be larger than 17. I'm going to choose 15. 15's partner is 3. Check for divide. Multiply the number I just wrote down, 3 times the boss, 5. 3 times 5 is 15. Check off multiplication. Time to subtract. 7 minus 5 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Check off subtraction. Check my work. Is 2 smaller than 5? Yes. B, bring down. If I look back in my original problem, I used the 6, I used the 7. I have nothing left to bring down, but since my answer at the very bottom is not 0, this tells me I need to circle my 2, give it a VIP elevator ride to the top, put an R in front of it because this is my remainder. This is what's left over. My final answer would be 13 remainder